talk about data types in Excel. Here we are going to talk about different types of data types. So the learning objective which we have in this particular video is understand the types of data types which Excel stores. Number data type, string data type, date and time data type, currency and accounting data type. Let's understand what is data type means first of all. So when we are storing a data, as the data is growing day by day and I want to store a lot of information. Let's say I want to store the customer ID. My customer ID can be alpha value, it can be numeric value, it can be alphanumeric value as well. So that type of data type, if we have alpha values, then it is considered as string. If it is consists of numbers, then it is a numerical data type. And if it consists of alphanumeric, then also it is considered as string data type. I want to store the order date. It's a date data type which we have. I want to store the currency. Let's say what is the sales. So I need to store in a currency format. So when you are storing the data, each data has its own data type, and that is what we can store different types of data in a different types of data types. In general, Excel has general data type, numbers, strings, date and time, currency and accounting. Let's first talk about number data type. Now, number can be stored in three ways, either in a decimal format, which you can see here 10.50, or in a fraction format. If I have 10.50, it will be coming as 10 1 by 2 as a fraction format. And in the scientific format, you have something like this 1.00 raised to power 01. So basically in the data fields like quantity, we can save that into a number format. In real-time scenario, you may encounter various type of data where we can store the data in a number format. Let's talk about the string data type. In Excel, we have, again you can see, this is the sample data we have. Here we have order ID and ship mode. You can see that order ID consists of alphanumeric values and ship mode consists of alpha values. And in fact, customer ID is also consists of alphanumeric values. So these are the three data types which is actually considered as string data types. Next type of data type which we have is date and time data type. Here you can see that we have two fields, one is order date and ship date, and the data type for the same is the date data type. Next is currency and accounting data type. When you see here, there are two types of columns we can see in this particular image. We have sales currency and accounting. The difference which you can see is that, first of all, you see there is a dollar sign because it's a currency field or an accounting field. But when the currency is zero, you can see the number is coming as $0. However, in the accounting, it is coming as the hyphen sign. Accounting is mostly used, as the name suggests, for the accounting purposes, and currency basically to store the values like sales, profit, etc. So let's go ahead and check some data types in Excel with some hands-on. So here is my Excel. You can see that this is the alphanumeric data type. I can very well change this to a text. You can see nothing impacted because it's a text actually. Text is like a string data type which we have. If you click on here, you can see that at the top, the date is coming in because this is the date data type which we have. You can see when you click on this drop down, you will get all the different types of data types. When I'm clicking on the order date, it is coming as date. When I proceed further, and if I go to the currency, you can see here, it's a currency data type because the dollar is there. Suppose I am changing this to a $0. You can see 0 is coming in, it's a currency. If I go ahead and change this to accounting, you can see that the minus sign is coming in. So that is how we can see the different types of data types. So to recap, in this video, we have learned different types of data types like number, text, date, time, and currency accounting. Number, we can store quantities and other fields. In the text, we can have alpha values, we can have alphanumeric values. like the name, product, maybe customer ID with alphanumeric values. Date, we have order date, ship date, and all those options we have to store the date fields. And finally, currency, we can have profit, sales, and so on. So I hope this makes sense. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.